Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to walk you through on how to make a link on iPhone. So if you want to make a link on iPhone, here's a quick guide on how to do that. So the first thing you have to do is open up your browser on your phone. So once you open the browser, then you can just simply search through any link of your choice. But currently I'm running on I'm on Apple website. So if you want to make this Apple link, and if you want to make a link out of it, just perform this simple test. So the first thing you just have to do is tap on this the share button. Tap on the share button right here. Tap on the share button. Okay, good. Tap on this share button. Tap on it. And once you tap on it, then it's going to pop up some option. Then right here you have a bunch of app you can make a link to. But currently what we're going to do is we want to make a link to this website on our home screen. So just tap add to home screen. So from here you can simply configure the name at which you want the links to show. So you're just going to make it ordinary Apple. So just going to wipe out the remaining text. Then you can see this is the Apple, then this is the link under it. Then you can just simply add it to the home screen. Then you can see, so whenever you want to go back to this link, just tap on the link, then it will take you back to your website. Then from there you can access the link, then do whatever you want to do. Then here's another option, also hit the share button as well. Once you hit the share button, you can also make the link out of this by just tap on any of these option, the social media platform. You can also share it through your note. Just tap on the note, then you can see the same thing here, which is it. Then tap on save. All right, okay, create a new one, then tap on save. Then you can just quickly go back to your note. Where's the note? There is a note right here. Then just open the note. Okay, there is a note here. You can see with the image of the website right under it. And if you want to have access again, just tap on the link, then it will take you down to the Apple website. Then you can also do the same thing like this. Follow this another method by just tap on the share button, then copy the link by yourself manually, then paste it to wherever you want to use the link on. Then from there you can forward it to anyone you want to forward it to, and that's how you can make a link on iPhone. If you find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.